us now, because relatively, with the kind of gains which has come in from auto or energy or even from metal space, they have charged up because of some reasons now. But the banks have relatively underperformed. They've not performed much. And in fact, surprisingly, this week, if you talk about large caps have performed better over mid cap and small cap. Now, is there a case to look at stocks like HDFC Bank, because they are FI favorite counters now? Brokerage notes are coming on at HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. What do you think of banking stocks moving ahead coming week or from here on?
We have seen very concentrated rally in banking stocks. Some of the private bank have done well in this last couple of weeks. So from private banking space, I think ICICI Bank is looking more promising compared to all other banks. And the way ICICI Bank have registered a new all-time high in this series, we believe this stock should be, use any minor dip should be used as a buying opportunity in ICICI Bank. Though HDFC Bank has also recovered from its recent low, and now its stock is holding above 1740 level. So for near term to short term perspective, I think if it continues to trade above 1740 level, I think yes, here also we could see some buying traction, and possible upward momentum can extend to 1800 to 1820 kind of level. That's the next supply zone for the HDFC Bank also. So 1740 is our immediate stop loss to buy and accumulate HDFC Bank also. But from private sector bank, I think ICICI Bank would be our first choice to buy. Because in banking, what has happened? PSU banks have not much participated in this up move. SBI, Canara Bank, all these banks are still consolidating. But from PSU Bank, one outperforming stock that we like is Bank of Baroda. Here also we can see some traction. So some of the stocks are looking promising on the technical front, and these stocks can be looked at from the banking pack.
So bullish on Bank of Baroda as well as ICICI Bank, and that's the view coming in from Rajesh. But Vineet, I'm going to come back to you because it was the auto space that was in top gear. It was also the power stocks that stayed really charged and were really powering through. So what do you make of this, firstly? And secondly, what do you sort of pencil in next when it comes to the next week then?
So, Maruti has guided for setting up 25,000 charging points before their car is launched. So, it's a very good strategy that they've adopted. And I think Maruti is one stock which will be powering, in FY24 as well as FY25. So I believe that would be my focus trade. Apart from that, if you look at power stocks, we like, Adani Green, given the fact that, IPOs of NTPC Green are also scheduled to hit the markets. So while there has been a slight profit taking, I think that the markets next week should move ahead with Adani Green.
Right, that's a view coming in from Vineet. But Rajesh, tell us your specific recommendation here. Now that we know that earnings season also kicking off, US have started. Accenture gave its numbers. IT is in full focus now. What are the two trades that you would want to recommend here, our viewers?
So first one is Coal India. Stock has taken the support around 480 zone, and in this recovery now again stock moving back above 20-day, 50-day moving average. Looking at the reversal from the lower level, we believe that Coal India may extend its gain. I think possible target towards 535 we can see. Stop loss should be placed at around 506. And the second stock is from the capital goods space, that is Siemens. Stock has moved up in last couple of week above 7300 level. So I think if it's sustained above 7300 level, I think there should be furthermore follow-up buying action in this stock. The way stock managed to give breakout of last 3-week consolidation, we believe that Siemens may extend its gain. Possible target towards 7550 we can see. One can buy with stop loss of 7200, and third one is GAIL, Gas Authority. That stock has also moved up quite well in last couple of days, and now stock is negotiating with its previous swing high. So I think the way stock has moved up, we believe that here we can see furthermore continuity of uptrend. 248 is the next target. Keep your stop loss around 230 to buy GAIL also.
One or two, but three picks coming in from Rajesh. But with that,
there comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits, and then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.